So this here is an ELF 16mm projector which I got on eBay for £80, which is really good considering there's ones in worse condition and this selling for a lot more. There was cold solder joints in the rewirable cable that it came with, but I've since fixed those. So I've had film running through it and it's working perfectly. What I intend to do is convert it into a 60mm film scanner. So basically I'm going to have a system where I'll link up to the external shutter release connection on this camera that I'm using to record this video, and then I'll somehow have a setup where it's projecting directly onto the image sensor in the camera, and basically I'll have a micro switch inside it so that when the shutter blade comes around, it will basically take a picture. But I'll have to find out some other way of adding an extra motor on it to make it turn very slowly. And the reason I've ordered a projector to do this is obviously because it's more stable for advancing the frames, and plus this has got sound, so I can convert sound films. But I mainly wanted it for when I get a film camera, so I can convert my films myself. So to use it, it's very simple. You just put the film in here like this, and just put this to the forward position. It threads. Once it's threaded, you just flick that forward, and then that's a loop formed, and then that's it, ready to go. So yeah, I won't show any more of it because I want to sort of keep it until after I've converted it all digitally in high quality. So yeah, it's working really good. Oh, and another thing, that halogen bulb will be coming out and getting replaced with a 10-watt LED, which I'll make up a dimmer for, so I'm not shining huge amounts of light into the camera sensor. And I'll also need to figure out some sort of other motor to drive the system very slowly. So basically that's the main drive motor there with fan. So there's a separate pulley in there, and that's for shifting the belt over for silent speed. It's currently on sound speed just now, so I was thinking that I could maybe somehow have another motor, maybe some sort of cheap geared motor or something like that, just turning that all over very slowly. And basically when that shutter blade is like maybe there, I'll just push a micro switch which I'll connect into this camera, and it'll basically just take a picture of the current frame, and then it'll just continue on automatically. No microcontroller needed, I don't think. It should be quite simple.